A fine good morning to all of you. A fine good morning to all of you. Most respected today's chief guest, respected parents, esteemed teachers, and all my dear friends. First of all, wish you all happy Independence Day. So this is a very big day for us because on this very day, we got freedom. We got freedom from the British rules. Britishers who made us slave more than 200 years. They ruled on us. After rigorous fighting, after tireless effort, finally we got freedom. This year, we are celebrating our 79th Independence Day. So this is a very big day. This day, we have to give tribute to those freedom fighters, those they have sacrificed their lives. They have gone to jail. They have left everything to only for the betterment of our nation. So my dear student, you all have to consider this day is a big day. So if you suppose to see the flag, so there are three colors are there. The first one is saffron. Saffron indicates strength, sacrifice. The second one is white. It indicates peace and growth. And the third one is green. That indicates growth and fertility. It's a big day, you know what? Because if you see the national flag, it has also 24 spokes. That is Ashok Chakra. That indicates the wheel of law, wheel of dharma. So you have to take this day seriously. You have to problem like poverty, like education, like water. Everything is we were suffering. Still we are lagging behind. Still we have the problem of good education. Still we are suffering from poverty. So now India is emerging in one of the best economy in the world. So we can change the world if we have the self-belief in ourselves. So you have to take the pledge on this day to change your country. Never think what country has given to you. Always think in yourself what you can do for your country. So there are 6 things what I am going to share you that you have to take the pledge on this day. We will try to see the changes. Everybody is nationalist, everybody is patriotic. But patriotic to showing the patriotic on 15th August, 26th January is not the way. So you have to take the pledge that you will educate yourself and try to help others to educate. First, you have to educate yourself. The second one is you have to make yourself neat and clean and try to make it possible to make surrounding neat and clean. The third one is you have to be true for yourself and try to true yourself for your country. The fourth one is you have to respect your parent. That is very most important. They are the true lovers. You have to respect your parents. You have to respect your elders. You have to respect your neighbors. You have to respect your relatives. And the fifth one is you have to respect all the peoples. Those who belong from different caste, creed, religion. You have to respect them. It is very most important. So this is a very big day. Last day I have shared you about the flag hosting and flag unfurling. Do you know what is flag hosting? On 15th August today we have done the flag hosting right now. Britishers flag there. But on the day of 15th August at midnight 1947 the flag hosting has been done. That means the flag was there in the bottom. It was just raised to the top. That is known as flag hosting. And flag unfurling is to be done on 26th January. That is called Republic Day. That is flag unfurling. That means flag is already there on the top. We are just what? Showing it. So you have to take the firm belief in yourself. If you want to change the world, you have to change yourself. APJ Abdul Kalam said, when there is a righteousness in the heart, then there is a beauty in the character. When there is a beauty in the character, then there is a harmony in the home. When there is a harmony in the home, then there is an order in the nation. And when there is an order in the nation, then only there will be a peace in the world. So if you want to make your country bright, if you want to make your country more successful, powerful, everyone have to take the pledge to change yourself. That's it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.